To connect Robinhood to Phantom Wallet, start by opening the Phantom Wallet application on your device and clicking on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, select the Connect Wallet option and choose the Robinhood option from the list of available wallets. You will be redirected to the Robinhood website where you will need to log into your account. Once logged in, you will be asked to authorize the connection between Phantom Wallet and Robinhood. Review the permissions and click Allow to proceed. After authorizing the connection, you will be redirected back to the Phantom Wallet application. Your Robinhood account will now be linked to your Phantom Wallet and you can view your portfolio and access various features. It is essential to note that connecting your Robinhood account to Phantom Wallet may pose some security risks. Always ensure that you are using the official Phantom Wallet application and only connect your account to trusted platforms. Additionally, Phantom Wallet may require you to complete a two-factor authentication process to add an extra layer of security to your account. This process usually involves entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. By following these steps, you can successfully connect your Robinhood account to Phantom Wallet and start exploring the various features and services offered by the platform. Always prioritize security and only use trusted applications to manage your financial accounts.